Good day everyone, it's your Grizz and I am out on the zx6r. Yes, I'm on Taffy's bike. I am having issues. I've had issues for quite some time, if you've not already gathered that. But oh god, look at this, the joys of trying to get into work. Yeah, I'm on my way into work and it's glorious flipping weather. We are at the very start, I feel, of our spring. No two ways about it, really. Gravel. Yeah, and I just don't want to not be on two wheels because it's just too bloody nice. So Taffy's bike has come to the rescue because at present the Hayabusa needs an MOT. I was using the Punisher yesterday and the battery went flat just up here where this van's going to pull in. I was taking some photos of the lovely sunset, jumped on it to start it up. Hold on. And the battery was flipping flat, so that was really good. But I was lucky this time I didn't have to push it home. I managed to jump start it and nurse it home. But yeah, I've got a new battery for it. I need to fit that because I think the lithium battery I bought is just rubbish. I think so. I have got a replacement battery for it. I need to fit it. There's so many things I need to do and want to do. I also want to work on the BMW, very much so still. But all of my time, all of my energy has gone into and will remain to go into the Ducati because I want to see that finished, and yeah, I want to get it into use. Will it turn into my commuter, my summer commuter? I don't know, I'm not sure. We're going to see because it's just so nice at the moment. I am still really not very far from finishing it. I've had a few issues, had some fueling issues, and I had to repair a few things on the tank. Some of the kind of valves and taps, fuel taps, are just old and they need replacing and they're not really working properly. I've got it out of the lounge, I started it up, and then it cut out through which I think is fuel starvation. Through one of the taps being faulty on the fuel lines. It's one of those fancy quick release fuel lines that's not working properly. Alright, can I get past this lot? Yes, I can. So good to get out on Taffy's bike. Yeah, so basically all the bikes are not in use. All my bikes aren't in use again. I do find it very frustrating, but it's all part and parcel of multi-bike ownership, and I guess when you all own kind of older bikes, it's just part of the price you pay. But I will get there. I will kind of get back on the road. I will stop using Taffy's bike. I've only used it once. That is today. She does know, honest. But yeah, I just really want to be out on that Ducati, and it's just taking all of my focus and all of my energy to get it done, and I just want it done ASAP. But also don't want to rush it. I could have actually got to work on it last night, but I was tired, end of a long day, and I don't want to be working on any bikes when I'm tired because that just does not mix. So I save it for the weekends, and I guess that's why the progress is so slow, because I'm just kind of doing work on the bikes over the weekend. Right, let's give this baby a little shakedown. A little shakedown. Yeah, it's in rude health, guys. The ZX6R is still very much in rude health. This is a belter. You're right. It's such a stinker because I'm on my way to work. I haven't got time to stop. I would. I'm already kind of running a little bit late. I would have liked to have helped. It's horrible, isn't it? The pace of life nowadays, guys, is just flipping horrible. It's just horrible, isn't it? You know, just so you know, I get home on an evening and I'm just so tired. And I mean, Taffy is too. We just sat there last night and we said, why are we so tired? We're just bloody exhausted. And we get home, the end of the day, it's a struggle to just prepare a meal, sit down and eat, clean up, and that is, this road is still flipping closed. What? I came down here yesterday and it was closed. Is it closed again? There's no pre-warning that this road is closed. This is not on. Not flipping on. Yeah, it's flipping well closed again. Flip's sake. Now I've got to take a huge diversion, which actually is of no real use. I'll try to kind of calm the ninja down to not frighten the hair off that old lady. Yeah, so yeah, the pace of life is just so bloody fast nowadays, guys, and it's relentless. It's fast and tiring, and how did we and how did I fit everything in I used to fit in? I used to bloody work all day and edit vlogs all night, and I don't know. I guess that was pretty much what I'd done, so I guess that's how I fitted more in. I feel a little bit kind of naughty on the ZX6R this morning because it is actually so flipping loud. It sounds amazing, but it's loud. Yeah, diversions. I'm going to be late. I'm going to be flipping well late. I've got my camera in my backpack. I was going to pull over and take some nice photos, but that's not going to happen now. Painful. Right, I'm going to get this diversion out of the way. Right, and here is the diversion. It brings me out by flipping Banwell, the bane of my life. Banwell, the road is closed ahead. I mean, the last time they did this, they actually put a sign up saying road closed. But no, not this time. Just allow people to take this route and chuck in a diversion. It's not a massive diversion, but every minute counts. Every minute counts, guys. Thank you. Yeah, I wish, you know, I love, I'm not complaining, but I do love all my bikes, and I love having what I've got, but at times I'm just tired of constantly messing around with the bikes. I just want to ride. I just want to ride and ride and ride every day. I just want to get on a bike and ride and have a reliable bike I don't have to mess about with. I will have to draw a line under the Punisher because that is, you know, it's just a one-off bike. I'm never going to get rid of it. It will have problems due to its age and the modifications that I've made. you know, it's gonna have problems. So I draw a line under that and accept that, and I'll do whatever is needed for that. But I do grow tired of messing about with the bikes, and at times I just feel like, you know, selling the bikes and buying something newer, much newer, that's going to be reliable. But is that out there? Is it actually out there, you know, or is a reliable bike out there? I guess they are, but you know, I see brand new flipping BMWs breaking down. You're like, that doesn't inspire me with confidence, and I love the BMWs too. But yeah, I do think, you know, sell the Hayabusa, sell the flipping 916. That's a crime to say it, because it looks so damn good now. It really does. I'm hoping I can get that 916 finished this weekend. But yeah, sell all the bikes and buy something nice. There's another big part of me actually just wants to sell them all, apart from the Punisher and the BMW, and pay all my bills off and just not sweat it. Enjoy some holidays. I mean, I can still enjoy holidays, but enjoy some nicer holidays, you know. I'm talking rubbish. I am talking rubbish. I'm going to shut up about that now, because it's not really a good subject. I'm not doing good for time. This is not good for life, for my work life. It will not go down well if I turn in late. And it is still flipping cold. I am wearing my summer kit again. I made the mistake yesterday and I'm making the mistake again this morning. Summer gloves. I got my jeans on. They are biker jeans, Revit jeans. They're not my latest pair of Levi's. And yeah, I mean, my feet are actually very good still, because I've got the lovely SMX Alpine Star waterproof boots on that I bought off of Infinity Motorcycles, and yeah, they are actually still doing a great job of keeping my feet nice and toasty. But wearing summer gloves and my summer jacket and jeans just isn't a great combo at the moment. You see the blue sky and a bit of sun during the day and you think how warm it is. It's lovely riding home, but on the commute to work, on the way in, it's flipping cold, and now my hands are suffering quite a bit. And Taffy's bike does not have heated grips, so actually it will soon, because one of our good friends, Chris Golds, off of Twitter, have sent Taffy some heated grips. Mate, you're amazing, thank you so much, and thank you for all the other bits and pieces you've done for us. So Taffy's bike will have heated grips soon, which I'm sure she'll be delighted for. Oh shit, did I just go for a red? No, he did. No, the van did, not me. For a minute there I thought I made a mistake. The van driver did. I think. Yeah, no, I've got a line of traffic behind me. So yeah, big shout out, thank you Chris. I will get those on Taffy's bike as soon as I've done everything else. screamer. What a flipping screamer. Forget having superchargers, guys. You just need a zx6r. Oh god, such a scream. Oh my goodness. Look guys, there's nothing really much, I haven't really spoke about much. This was just a improvisational kind of little vlog on my way into work. Let me know if you like it, and I'll do some more. I'll talk some more rubbish with you on my way to work. Highly illegal. Too fun not to do. Thank you, Taffy, for the use of your motorbike. It feels like a mini motorbike. Feels like a mini moto for me, but I do love it a lot. Bye-bye. See you soon.